Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on with hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and You See Why I'm a Diva. We also enter our projects into Saturday Morning Makes, which is hashtag Satmorn Makes, hosted by Julia Norwood. The ladies' links will be down below. This week's theme was pie for hashtag Two Crafters, One Design. Next week's theme will be flowers. So if you have any flowers, make sure you just join in with us and use the hashtags for both collabs. All right, thanks so much, and let's go ahead and get started. So this week I am using KS Craft Designs, and I'm using this little cookie die as well as this part here, and then I also use this circle for the background die behind the pie. From my creative time, I'm using Baking Up Love, and I'm using the rolling pin. And my creative time again, I'm using the 3.75 by 4.75 layers, and I'm using this one as well as that one, if I'm not mistaken. Then my creative time once again, I'm using her apron stamp and die set, and I'm just using the apron part of it, and so I put all of that together. And the papers, I am using the my creative time spring 2024, and I'm using this one, as well as the spring 2024 solids, and I'm using that one. And if you'd like to purchase anything from my creative time, you may go ahead and use my code MOE. Okay, and this is how my card turned out. I thought it turned out very pretty. I thought the orange and the blue went together very well, and I just put that whole apron together. This right here was typed up on my computer, and I just cut it out with one of my creative time little small dice, but I forgot to get that set. And then the Baking Up Memories came from that stamp and die set. I forgot to show you the stamps, but it came with that the rolling pin set. And then I thought I would put an enamel dot on top of the pie to just think of it as a blueberry, and I put a leaf behind there. I added some of the Martha Stewart sprinkles on there. Let me get that for you. It's her coarse glitter is what I used. And thought that turned out really cute for sugar there. And just added a few enamel dots around, and that pretty much took care of the card there. And then there goes the inside. And so make sure you join in on our collabs. Use those hashtags as well as the links down below to visit everybody. And you all have a blessed and crafty day. Check out the picture at the end.